Did you think about WhatsApp doing something more, exploding chats and sending some messages, sending some pictures and sending some emojis rather than doing something more? So this video is particularly for you if you haven't, or suppose you have but yet not able to get all the new tricks of 2020 WhatsApp coming new features. So this video is particular for you. So hey there, I'm Akash, come back with a new video of WhatsApp 2020 new tricks. Here you are watching BTech YouTuber, so don't wasting time, let's go straight in the video. Some more advanced usage of WhatsApp is expected for the personal usage rather what others do. Sometimes we have the intention if we can see others chat what he or she is doing in WhatsApp beside us, and so many people are already face that kind of problem. And for the example, parents can able to get all the track of their child what they are actually doing in the sort of their daily basis in their WhatsApp. So this particular trick will be helpful for those who want to track others number what actually they are doing in their daily life and beside them. So let's go to the settings, and after going to settings you have to go to the chat section. After going to the chat history, there is option you will get to explore that chat. Remind that to get the phone once in your hand while in the first time you are exploring the chat. There is also an option to get the exploring chat to your Gmail ID, and there is also some Google Drive options, so you can check this out from here. You can simply get track of your chats or any duration of your chats, particular people or particular group, by simply going to the settings over here. And after going to the setting, you have to go to the data usage and storage, and after going to the data usage and storage, you can see that clearly the storage usage is calculating right now. And after going to that particular section, you might have this clear idea about in which particular group or in which particular chat you have chatted the most and the lowest one also. So there is a very good track of your chats, in which chat you have talked the most. Our next trick is helpful for those who are having geo connections and somehow because of their geo calling rate, those they are choosing the way to call via WhatsApp with their partner. However, the calling via WhatsApp may cause a high usage of data. To avoid this, is simple going to the data using storage, and after going to the data usage and storage, there is an option called low data usage. While you are calling to some other devices, either in the WhatsApp group or in the WhatsApp chat, it will be more easier to consume more data. This feature of WhatsApp, which was updated in the last year, till now some of you might not have know about this. While typing in a group or in a personal chat, to highlight your comment, there is option of bold, italic, strike through or mono space. You can use this by only doing like star at the front and end of the part, and while you are having the italic part you can do this, and while you are going to have a strike through part to get the strike through part. And if you want to use the mono space, I think most of you are not known that by writing it's high here and again doing this rough for 3 times, there will be a gap in a mono space. Or if you cannot remember the short codes, you can go with this option by selecting long pressing and selecting the data, and while doing this for bold, italic, strike through or mono space from here. You might have noticed something when you are chatting in a crowd. You might have a problem to stretch your hand from here to here, and that's a big problem when you're sitting or standing in a crowd bus or public transport. It's a very annoying thing for us. To get rid of this problem, you can make this enter key button to a send button from here. You have to go to the settings again, and after going to the settings, there is option like data usage and storage, not data and chats option, and after going to the option is there's enter is send. You have to enable this option. After enabling this option, you can able to chat with your without stretching your hand. Like I've written some message and I can send this from here. Now you can chat with the person without stretching your hand from here to here. That's a very good solution of this problem. So the last and the most important trick for those who doesn't want to see others that they have already read their message, and the sender will see like that there is a double tick but not with that blue tick. To apply this trick, you have nothing to do, you have to on the aeroplane mode, the flight mode from here, and after pressing on the flight mode from here, you have to enter in the WhatsApp, and this particular chat you want to see without knowing him or her that you have seen the WhatsApp chat from your WhatsApp. After seeing this WhatsApp, you have to clear the background data again, and you have to switch off the aeroplane mode from here. Again, the data connection will be same from again will be connected from your phone, and after connecting from your phone, that the sender who have sent you the message will not get aware of that you have already seen the message from here. So there is an option to hide your message from seeing over the sender, and that's all for today. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon nearby it to get notification of all of my videos I will be uploading the next. Till then, stay tuned and have a nice day.